Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we are diving deep and breaking down exactly how to conquer the G21 National Standard Low Voltage Electrician Exam. So whether you're just cracking open the books or you're looking for that final push, you're in the right place.
So are you ready to get certified and really take your career to the next level? Well, the very first step is understanding what it takes to pass this thing. Let's map it all out together.
And let's be real, this exam has a reputation for being tough. I mean, it's no secret, it's designed to really test what you know, from the fine print on safety protocols to super specific wiring methods. But you know what? A tough exam doesn't have to be a barrier. It's not about just memorizing a bunch of facts. It's about preparing the smart way. And having the right tools in your corner, that can completely change the game. Okay, so let's get into it. First things first, what are you actually walking into on test day? Trust me, just knowing the structure of the exam is half the battle won, right there. So here's the breakdown. You've got 50 multiple-choice questions and 120 minutes to get through them. That works out to a little under 2.5 minutes for each question. You can take it either at a PSI center or online, and once you pass, that certification is good for 3 whole years. And the magic number you're aiming for? 70%. That is your passing score. It means you need to nail at least 35 of those 50 questions to get that certification. All right, now that we know the rules of the game, let's talk about how you can actually prepare to win. We're going to take a peek inside a prep simulator that's designed to feel just like the real thing.
This is exactly what I mean by smart preparation. Using a tool like the simulator from certificationexam.com helps you get totally comfortable with the question formats, the timing, everything you'll face. So let's jump in and see how it works with a few examples.
Okay, here's a pretty typical question you might see about building codes. Why are building codes periodically updated? You've got your 4 options there. Take a second. What do you think? And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Now notice this. The simulator doesn't just give you the answer. It gives you a clear, simple explanation. This learning mode is so important because it helps you understand why that's the answer. Let's do another one. This one gets into specific OSHA safety rules. According to OSHA standards, what is the maximum allowable height for unprotected edges where fall protection must be provided? This is a really critical detail you have to know on the job. The answer here is A, 6 feet. And again, you get that instant feedback with the explanation. This approach is so much more effective than just taking a long test and then checking your score at the very end. You learn as you go. Okay, last one for our little demo. This one's from the project management side of things, which just goes to show you how broad the topics on the G21 can be. What does a stakeholder register contain? And the correct answer is A, information about project stakeholders. Now, just imagine having this kind of instant, clear explanation for hundreds of practice questions. That's how you really start to build up your knowledge and your confidence. So we've seen the exam format. We've seen how a simulator works. Let's put it all together and talk about your path to getting certified. And check this out. Good preparation makes a massive difference. For example, people who use this specific simulator have a 98% pass rate on their first try. That's huge. When you practice with a big, up-to-date question bank, your odds of success just skyrocket. So, if this sounds like the right approach for you, getting started is super easy. You just head over to a site like certificationexam.com, you can use their web simulator, and you can even download a mobile app. And honestly, the flexibility of having a mobile app is a game changer. It means you can squeeze in study time whenever you have a spare moment, on your lunch break, on the bus, wherever. And the offline access is perfect for when you don't have a good signal. So there you have it, the G21 exam. Yes, it's challenging. But with a smart game plan and the right tools, it is totally beatable. Your journey to becoming a certified low-voltage electrician really starts with how you prepare. You can learn more at certificationexam.com. Good luck!